Good morning, it's Megan. I'm going to take a few minutes just to do a little rundown of how to navigate on my website for the final project. As you can see in this corner, oops, you can see the theme for this course, which is animal management, like always. Then I have just this starter button. If you click on it, it will actually take you to a forms document. And this is just like not really a quiz, but I guess you can call it like a pre-quiz, just so I can see what type of information you have already before this course. As you go in this way, you hit on help education material, and then you'll have this video that talks about handling. Then you'll have this video that talks about biosecurity, and then you'll have an article. And it's kind of neat because it shows how these two different aspects actually merge into be one big ideal for the agriculture industry. So then over here you'll have additional resources, and this is going to be a multi-step for your final project. So you'll have like week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4, and they'll all have different pieces that will actually get you to this part, your homework, which is the final um, kind of project. It's in a PowerPoint. It has all the little projects within this PowerPoint, so it tells you what steps you should have been taking to get to the final part. So that's that. And then down here, the course standards, it'll just give you a Word document once you hit find out more, just the objectives of the whole year. And then contact information if you need to get a hold of me. And then basically just kind of allows you to navigate throughout the website. So that's all. Thank you.